Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get coupons from the late delivery of AliExpress. So the first thing that you have to do is to check the delivery status. So you have to verify that the estimated delivery date has already passed. So to do that, just go to My Orders and tap on the delayed item. So take note that the original promised delivery that it must be passed already. So this only applies to items labeled as fast delivery. So you also have to check on that one because if it's not labeled as fast delivery, then you will not get any coupon. So next thing is to go to the order details page. So look for the compensation link. So on the order details page, you have to scroll down and then AliExpress may automatically display a link or a button for late delivery compensation. So if the item is qualified. So you just have to check on that one and just have to click on it. So next is to submit a coupon claim. So tap the button to apply for refund or a coupon. So if available, the compensation claim is usually one click. So the system will confirm the delivery date passed and then process the request. After that is to you just have to receive the coupon in 48 hours. So the $1 coupon code is automatically sent to your wallet. So you just have to check on it, or if it's not in there, you can also reach out to them. So it's usually within 48 hours that you will receive the coupon. And lastly is use the compensation coupon. So select the coupon at the checkout on your next purchase so that the $1 will be applied as a discount to your items. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!